Alright, starting off strong with this fiery noodle platter. Look at that glaze on the chicken drumsticks. They're coated in a spicy sauce, topped with sesame seeds, and loaded with red and green chili slices. Just the sight of it makes my mouth water. We've also got soft boiled eggs on the side, perfectly jammy yolks, sprinkled with black sesame seeds. That creamy richness is going to balance out the heat from the noodles. And wait, there's squid here, too tender, chewy, and soaking up all that chili, all goodness. I love how this platter is everything. The chewy noodles, juicy chicken, seafood, and eggs. It's like the ultimate comfort food feast. If you're from the US or UK, think of this as an upgraded ramen ball, only 10 times bigger and spicier. Australians, I know you guys love your spicy challenges, and honestly, this one would be perfect for it. Alright, let's imagine that first bite. The noodles are springy and coated in spicy sauce, then you bite into the chicken drumstick, smoky, juicy, and just a little sweet from the glaze. Follow that with a soft egg, and man, flavor heavy. Moving on to platter number 2, and wow, this is the ultimate fried chicken party. Just look at it. We've got crispy golden chicken, saucy wings glazed in spicy sweet sauce, and these sesame-coated flatbreads stuffed with juicy meats. Some pieces are classic fried chicken, super crunchy, golden brown, and perfectly seasoned. Others are dripping in sticky sauces. One looks like Korean-style sweet chili chicken with sesame sprinkled on top. And then, these bread pockets are stuffed with fried cutlets and kebab-style meats. Honestly, they look like an Asian twist on burgers or sliders. Now, if you're watching from the US, you might be thinking, that's a whole bucket of KFC plus sandwiches on top. But trust me, this is even more extra. In the UK, you'd probably call this the ultimate chicken shop platter. And in Australia, this is exactly what you'd want to smash with your mates after a long day. Every bite here has that crispy saucy contrast. The crunchy chicken skin, the juicy meat inside, and then that warm, fluffy bread stuffed with savory filling. Seriously, who wouldn't want to dig into this? Now for the grand final, the hot pot platter. And this one is a showstopper. We've got skewers of everything: fish balls, meat balls, tofu pouches tied up like little bags, shrimp, seaweed rolls, and more, all simmering in a rich, spicy broth. The broth itself looks incredible, bright red from chili oil, speckled with sesame seeds, and full of flavor. You can just tell it's packed with garlic, chili, and spices. These tofu pouches are so fun, they're stuffed, tied, and boiled until they soak up all that broth. It's like biting into a flavor bomb. The shrimp are plump and juicy, cooked perfectly in the soup. And those meatballs soft on the inside, but they absorb every bit of the spicy soup. This reminds me of Asian night markets where you just grab skewers, dip them in broth, and eat them fresh off the stick. For Western audiences, think of it as a cross between a barbecue and a soup. You get all the fun of skewers, plus the comfort of hot soup. Honestly, this is the perfect sharing platter. You and your friends could sit around, grab skewers, dip, and eat for hours. What a feast! From fiery noodles with chicken and squid to crispy fried chicken sandwiches and finally a bubbling hot pot full of skewers, this was an epic journey of flavors. If you're watching in the US, UK or Australia, tell me in the comments, which platter would you go for first? The spicy noodles? The crispy fried chicken? Or the hot pot skewers? Thanks for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more food adventures. Until next time, stay hungry and stay happy.